denied. So the military, knowing that they have been uncovered, they kind of, if you watch recently, the military has gone down. So what happens? They want to try to create a form of ethnic clash. They want to make it an ethnic clash. Now they have armed the Fulani herdsmen. They want to make it, even though they were armed before, but those ones they were doing in this gas. But since the military is now, and then we are accusing President Buhari of also having a hand, because as Twenty People said, he was his friend. So I think he was actually responsible for advising that are starting the move to South East. So he too, I think, is becoming careful. They are not using the security forces again to do. So they are trying to arm the Fulani herdsmen so that when the people attack them, it will be as if the Fulanis and the Igbos are fighting. That's what they're trying to do. So my advice, not just to the Igbos, other regions, please raise vigilante group.